Hello to you watching. So it's that time again. I just got my Boxycharm for the month of April in the mail today. And guess what? I have no idea what's in it. I didn't choose. I had them choose for me. So this is a complete mystery to me this time. I'm so excited. But before we can get into the April Boxycharm, let's talk about March's Boxycharm. So if you remember, it was Boxy Lucky. And I got first the 111 Skin, 111 Skin Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel. This was an eye cream that I was very intimidated by the applicator, but you pump it down, the cream comes out, and you're supposed to massage it in with the applicator. But I didn't end up doing that. I pumped once and applied it half to one eye, half to the other eye, and then I just worked it in circles all around my eye area and then down here and then around my mouth, because those are like, my mouth is like, I think where I have, my mouth and my eyes is like where I have the most fine lines. I don't notice a difference. Some people rave about skincare that takes care of wrinkles. I didn't notice anything. I still look at myself in the mirror every day and I still see the same fine lines and wrinkles that, well, fine lines. I don't really have wrinkles yet. Yet is the key word. It's not hurting me. Like, I'll keep using it and I'll see if I have some kind of benefit. So we'll see. Definitely not worth the $140 though. Would never buy, ever. Okay, second thing. This thing I would buy. Damn Girl Mascara from Too Faced. Now, I have it on my eyes today and I have worn it every time I've worn makeup. Oh, I didn't tell you. I've used this 47 times and haven't noticed a difference. I've used this 18 times and I love it. And depending on if I find something else I like, I might end up buying a tube of this when I'm done with this because I like it. I really like the brush is great. It lengthens my eyelashes. It thickens them a little bit, not like super thick. Like I've had mascaras that will thicken my lashes more, but this definitely lengthens and gives them a lot of definition. I know you can't really tell today because I have a dark eyeshadow on, but I love it. It's very good. Next thing I also used 18 times, the Maven Rose Water Spray, Setting Spray. It smells pleasant. We've had another rose thing on in our Boxycharms before. This is not nearly as strong fragrance. Probably my favorite thing about this was the sprayer is very light and does a great job of diffusing the product. So even when I'm done with this product, I think I'm going to keep the bottle and refill it with other setting sprays. I don't know if I'd buy this on my own. I haven't really noticed a great difference, but maybe I'll do a back-to-back comparison of my e.l.f. setting spray and this to see if I really notice a difference. But anyway, I like it. And I'm going to keep the bottle when I'm done with the product. But I mean, at this point, can I see through it at all? I think I'm like here. So I haven't used a lot of the product. I mean, I've only used it 18 times. Okay, next, also 18 times. So I did my makeup 18 times since I got my last Boxycharm box. This is the Viseart Eyeshadow Primer. It's very silicone feeling. That's what it makes me think of. It makes me think of some of my face primers that I've used, like the e.l.f. face primer that comes in the pump. That's what the texture reminds me of. I think it does a good job. Like my eyes haven't creased and I did my makeup this morning. So it's been, 8 hours since I did my makeup. So I think it still looks pretty good, or at least as good as it did when I put it on this morning. I realize you might not like my makeup today, but it's fine. It's a good primer. Next thing I want to do is do a comparison of one eye this and one eye my Shadow Insurance to see what happens. But use it 18 times. I like it well enough. I wouldn't buy it. I still like the Shadow Insurance well enough. And last and probably least, the Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. It comes with 3 of them in the pack. I only used one. So this is one set, and then there's another set in there, and I only used one set so far. They were really cooling, but they didn't really stay on my face. Wasn't a huge fan. I would never buy these kind of things. I'm not I'm not a mask person. It's just, it is what it is. They're fun. I'll do them when I'm doing a spa day. Okay, so I kind of blew right through those. I think since the MSRP on the Damn Girl mascara is $26, this box was worth it for the mascara alone. The setting spray was also nice, and the eyeshadow primer was good. So 3 out of the 4 products I really liked. 2 were more skincare stuff that I don't really care about. But all in all, not a bad box. So, okay, so about the 6-minute mark, we're gonna go into my new Boxycharm. Now, I did see some of the spoilers on Boxycharm's website. Where's my palette knife so I can open this? Oh, there it is. And I really hope I have one of them, but we'll see. Okay, so it's Sweet Treats. Nope. Okay, so let's see what we got going on in here. Farmacy. Ooh, another Farmacy. I liked the moisturizer I got from Farmacy in my first box. So I'm excited to see how this goes. Ultra-Hydrating Face Oil. Apply to face or targeted areas, AM and PM. Work through hair. Ooh, I can use it in my hair. Or you can blend in with foundation for added glow. So we've got a Honey Grail Farmacy Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. So, and that retails for $48. Next thing we got is a Tinted Moisturizer from Studiomakeup. That's this. Let's shake well. So let's see if this color, how this color is. Ooh, it's a big tube. Oh, it's a pump. Okay, so it's very similar to my Too Faced foundation. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Pumping, pumping. Maybe we're getting there. No, not yet. Oh, I think. Maybe. No. Come on. I don't want to, like, go haul ham. All right, what's happening here? Do I have to, like, turn it to open it? This is ridiculous. I just want to know what color you are. There's a lot of empty space, I think. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. So one, I don't know if you saw how big it was when I started pumping, but I finally got some product out. Okay, so I think it's a little dark. Yeah, so it's a little dark for me right now. It smells like coconut. So it's not bad. I think it'll be really good this summer when I tan more. Right now I am mostly winter skin, so we'll see how it goes. Anyway, this retails for $35 and it took freaking long enough to pump it out. Okay, so we've got that. We'll see how much I'm able to use it before we review this box, just because, like, if it's too dark for me, I don't want to be wearing it now and, you know, look weird. Okay, so we've got that. Next thing we've got Eloise Beauty Get Gleamin' Body Glow. What's that? Is that this? Oh, I think I'm missing an item. Well, that's unfortunate. Eloise Beauty. Okay, so that's this. And this is a non-sticky, lightweight luminizer. All right, so it's a highlighter. Champagne Rich. Let's see if I can open it and give you an idea of what it looks like. Yeah, but I'm missing an item, I think. Ooh, okay, so this is another pump. Let's see if this comes out easier. Okay, a lot faster. Again, a little dark, but very shiny. This is just body glitter for me. That's exactly what it is. And my boyfriend's gonna come home and I'm gonna rub it all over him and we're both gonna be shiny together. Okay, so but that's fun. I'm not mad at that. It's a little dark, but I'm not mad. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in fact missing an item. We are missing the Flirtacious Looks Cosmetics Monarch Lash Pack. Yep. So I'll have to reach out to Boxycharm about that and let them know I'm missing an item. So stay tuned for that. And then last is Kinder Beauty, Kinder Glow and Highlighting Palette. So we're doing a lot of glowing this box. All right, so we've got 4 shades. Do you want me to swatch them? I'll swatch them. I should probably stop using the same hand for all of my swatching. Or didn't I use this one? Okay. So we've got a yellow, a pinky, a peachy, and then a orangey. So I love a good highlighter. So I'm excited to try it. And I like how big the mirror is. That's really nice. These muddled ones are always so strange to me. But we'll play around. We'll see how it goes. But other than that, I have to get online and get Boxycharm to send me those eyelashes. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.